There's Jefferson and Jason Two-Gun Shwilly. Anyway, I'm sitting right at the edge of this cliff. There's water right below me. Fish swimming. I'm trying to catch some fish. I want to have one last fish fry before I leave. I'm leaving tomorrow, so all my roommates are out. We're all fishing. There's old Grinnell. Look at the hotel's old. Hardly any lights. Normally you'll see a lot of lights coming off of the hotel. I'm on this little cliff right here. Anyway, that's the waterfall right there. So look at how low the water is. Seaport, this rock that I'm sitting on, it used to be underwater. Water used to go like maybe 3 inches underneath this bridge. And it just used to look so massive. It used to look scary. All this was underwater, all these rocks. But it's kind of cool because we like to fish from up here on top of the bridge. Because when you look down here, you can see all the big fish like swimming up to your lure. Because we're using spinners. Yeah, my last night fishing here. I'm gonna miss this place so much. But at least I get to hang out with my daughters.